Alright guys, this is I believe the 6th episode of Bus Stop Vlogs. It's really more like train stop vlogs today. So I think as a result this will actually be a little bit of a shorter episode as well. But anyway, it's been an exciting week for sure. We're 2 weeks into back-end development at the Iron Yard. We've been doing a lot of Mongo this week, which has been fun. I had done some Mongo before this week, but it was almost all while using Mongoose, and so I definitely prefer using Mongoose if possible, but I think maybe that's something we're gonna get to a little bit later. I guess you could say I have a greater appreciation for it now than I did before. So anyway, Mongoose definitely means you have to write less code, which is always better. Anytime you can write less code, that's better, as long as you're able to do everything you need to do. So anyway, we've been doing a lot of that. Our weekly project this week was to build basically like a hangman game, using like storing session data in your browser session. And so that was pretty fun. I was able to knock that out in just about a day, for the most part, maybe a day and a half. And so that was good. Got to get that out of the way and then really be focusing on continuing to learn more of my backend fundamentals. And then I've also started learning React, which has been a lot of fun. It's definitely conceptually pretty different than the things we've been doing so far. So looking forward to kind of digging into it a little bit more and seeing what all I can do with React. I think I understand why you would want to use React. Now I just got to learn how. So anyway, I've been going through this kind of React tutorial on, I think it's Facebook's GitHub page, where you do like you basically build like a tic-tac-toe game using your React. Like that's like your first React app. And so that's been going pretty well, but it's definitely a lot to grasp at first. The most exciting thing about this week is some job prospects that are happening. Today I have an interview for a company in Dallas, so I am looking forward to that. That's at 10 o'clock today. And then I've also been in communication with 3 other companies, none of whom are in Dallas. So there are a few job leads that I've got right now. So really excited about those possibilities. And they all seem like they're great companies to work for. So I'm liking it. Liking this career change so far. Now I just actually have to, finish the changing of careers and get this first job. So anyway, we'll see how the first interview goes today. It's a front-end web development role, which is what I'm really wanting. I'd say the majority of these jobs are mostly front-end. One of them is a little bit more full stack, but I think it's something I'd be able to do. It's definitely still more of an entry-level junior position. And so even though it's full stack, I've got a pretty solid foundation in front end. And so I would just need to learn the back-end language that that job would use. So anyway, that's about all that's going on this week. I've been pretty busy with that. So I'm just going to kind of wrap it up there, keep this one short. I'm almost to the Iron Yard already. It's a short walk from the train station to the Iron Yard. I just usually ride the bus anyway. So, all right, well, you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week.